Landing Uganda stand for Her Land and Bridge Builders Uganda, in collaboration with religious leaders, highlight the persistent social challenges that hinder land ownership for women and youth in Uganda. During a public lecture on land rights for women and youth at Kyambogo University, Rebecca Atayo from Landing Uganda noted that while the government has made efforts to raise awareness, much more is still needed to be done.
The government has tried in as much as it can in terms of ensuring that we have an effective enabling environment, yes? That is when you look at laws. But of course there are gaps when it comes to the implementation of these laws.
He urged the government to collaborate with NGOs to implement laws that guarantee women's access to land.
Government maybe needs to come in and reinforce what many NGOs are doing in these communities and inform these women of what they can do. What are the referral pathways? When I need to access justice, who can I talk to?
Rebecca also encouraged women to empower themselves with knowledge to overcome the fears that prevent them from claiming land and to challenge the norms and customs that inhibit their ownership.
I think one of the things that best deals with fear is information, having the awareness of the rights that you have under the law as a woman.
Right Reverend Nathan Mugalu appealed to religious leaders to share their knowledge with congregants, ensuring that more people understand land ownership rights.
Should involve men and boys in the fight for women to own land, but also engaging in continuous women and girl empowerment programs so that women and girls can advocate and also demand for their rights.
The partnership coordinator for Bridge Builders Uganda, Odong Stephen Michael, pointed out that there remains some challenges that the government must address to break down the existing barriers. He remarked that while laws exist on paper, they often fail to be implemented in practice.
We really need the real policies that come specifically to address the specific needs of young people.
Story compiled by John Tawere Proskovia for UBC News.